Prelude can be locked and unlocked in two ways, with the Smart Entry system or with the key fob. Both work the same way to provide simple, consistent access every time you approach or leave the vehicle. With the Smart Entry system, Prelude detects the key fob and allows keyless access as you approach. When you walk toward the vehicle with the key fob in your pocket, the front door handles automatically extend to greet you. This auto pop-out function activates when all doors are locked and the fob is within 6 feet of either front handle. Grip the driver's handle to unlock only the driver's door. Some exterior lights flash twice, and you will hear 2 beeps. Grabbing the front passenger's handle unlocks all doors and the liftback. You can also unlock the Prelude using the key fob. Press the unlock button once to pop out both handles and unlock the driver's door. Press it again to unlock the remaining doors and the liftback. 2 presses unlock everything. Whichever method you use, access is simple. Grip the underside of the handle to open the door. Remind your passenger to do the same. Each handle also has a touch sensor on top that locks the car. Avoid touching this area while pulling the handle open, or the door will lock instead. To lock the car, either press that sensor on top or use the button on the key fob. Both work with a single press. It's a seamless system that adds a touch of fun to the everyday. Smart, secure, and a signature part of what makes Prelude feel special.